Flight service frequencies, advising us contact you. Way Foxtrot 6, holding position, sign line departing runway 22. Notum's runway 1.
We got the ATIS, everything's set there. There are spark plugs, right? On every see, there's a draw, so that works fine. Okay, so this.
Yeah, with 4010 ground.
Yep, we're heading runway 22, cleared for takeoff.
Fly runway heading runway, checking in at 8,000. Fairfield 40 clearing.
Yeah, with that guy. Where that other guy was at, he was talking to me.
A little X-ray.
Go west for me.
You want me to fly straight west heading?
Maybe depart the hold to the east. Add 2 people.
This is your moment to document everything that you're going to do. Really good, actually. Autopilot is off. Autopilot's doing a good job. I'm going to take the plane. I have the controls.
Yeah, the controls.
Northwest, we'll be crossing over midfield, left 3 miles northwest of the field.
For runway 21, final for 21. The aircraft in the grass, are you seeing Skyline 466, 1 mile final? Traffic, Devonor 176 takeoff, depart runway.
Get rolling, and then we can pull it back once we are.
Left turn out to the east.
Why don't you go full throttle for us there? 40 knots. 50 knots. 50.